reality. So that process by which a conscious self descends from that higher level of reality into the world of matter is what I call a level.
In a sequentially ranked hierarchy based on level of critical importance, the disparity between us is too vast. Stop.
The doctor, thank you.
If you want to move from sociable to someone else and then gradually navigate yourself to a different part of the universe, you can see where you are. And most importantly,
The universe as we know
you
it
can track
will
where you are. So you can
dissipate
enter some notes. You visit the
fine
planet
mist
of, I don't know, popular. You know,
cold
I felt
nothingness
popular today.
eventually.
You know, people came up and
In the future, we'll hit.
The woman in my memory called me 99.
What you saw was a flash of your previous life.